Home Foodies, and welcome back to Home Foodie Season 8. I'm Liana Tan Arsenas for OneDish Onders. Today, I will be making a delicious rice dish using our Star Margarine Classic. At ile-level up pa natin further by making it into Star Chicken Adobo Fried Rice. Pangalan pa lang, ang sarap na. So let's start! Let me start with a very basic, delicious recipe, ang star rice. At ang kailangan mo lang ay isang tasang kanin na mainit, 1 tablespoon ng Star Margarine Classic. So 1 tablespoon is about this much. And all you have to do is just mix it. Kaya kailangan mainit para mas madaling i-mix. Diba, ang rice, napakadaling maging malinamnam pag nilagyan mo ng Star Margarine Classic. And then all you have to do is put your favorite ulam on top o kaya bihisan mo ng konti by adding parsley, fresh or dried sa gilid at yun na. So let's make our chicken adobo na napakadali. So it's really delicious kasi madali na, masarap pa. And in 30 minutes, meron ka ng masarap na adobo. So all you have to do is combine all ingredients. Here I am using Magnolia Chicken Station breast fillet. And then I will put in soy sauce, vinegar, ang bawang. This is about 1 head of bawang. You know, my technique then here is to, if you're doing bawang way ahead, you marinate that or you let it immerse in olive oil so it doesn't turn dark in color. Ang peppercorns, and isang dahon ng bay leaf. Mix this. At pagkatapos, i-marinate lang for about 10 minutes. Kung nagmamadali ka naman, pwede nang diretso na. Prior to cooking, you add in 3/4 to 1 cup of water. And then let it simmer for about 20 minutes until cooked through. Do not stir para hindi mahilaw ang suka. You know, ang Star Margarine Classic bilang fat is really a good flavor carrier. So, pag nilagay mo siya, like ito, special ingredient ko siya sa adobo, it will make it more creamy and more flavorful. So, you let this cool at pagkatapos, i-dice or cube nyo before using in our fried rice recipe. And we're ready to make our Star Chicken Adobo Fried Rice. Ilagay na natin yung 1 tub minus 1 tablespoon ng margarine kasi ginamit natin sa adobo earlier, no, to make it. I-melt lang natin ito. So next, we'll add in our chicken adobo. Now, this one, pwede ka magtabi ng konti para visually appetizing pag sinerve mo na to your family. O kaya naman, talagang one dish meal, lahat ng chicken nandun sa rice. So tayo magtatabi tayo ng konti. This is very easy to do dahil luto na yung adobo mo. So you can really use leftover adobo na meron ka. Kung gagawin mo naman from scratch, as I've taught you, napakadaling gawin. Okay, next, ang aking favorite part, ang paglagay ng kanin kasi mahilig ako sa kanin. This is about 6 cups of rice na cooked. And you know, ang tip ko dito, dapat day-old or chilled na leftover rice. Ang technique din, gumamit ng 2 wooden paddles para pwede mong spread out yung grains ng rice. At ang pampasarap dyan is ilagay ang adobo sauce kung meron kang leftover. So, amoy na amoy pa lang, sobrang sarap na. It's really a delicious dish na sobrang daling gawin. You can actually add your favorite veggies tulad ng mixed frozen vegetables para talagang todo na complete meal meron ka na. Pero ngayon, for us, para Pinoy na Pinoy yung stance, gagamit lang ako ng sliced tomatoes para refreshing din siya. Pwede ka rin mag-add na nung toasted garlic kasi maglalagay tayo on top. But ako, I would like to add a bit para dagdag sa garlicky note. So, yummy! Kahit bata, pwedeng gawin to, ha? So, make it a bonding moment with your kids at home or with your hobby. And there you go. We have our Star Chicken Adobo Fried Rice. You're ready to dress up ang ating gawang Star Rice at saka ang level up rice niya na ginawa tayong Star Chicken Adobo Fried Rice. So, ang ating Star Rice, pwede natin lagyan ng fresh o kaya dried parsley sa ibabaw. Tapos, dito naman sa ating Star Chicken Adobo Fried Rice, lalagyan na natin ng gulay, which is ang ating tomato, or kung anong preferred nyo, pwede rin cucumber. Put in about 2 slices. And then we'll add in our chicken. Para lang mukhang meron siyang chicken pa, pero sa totoo, ang dami ng chicken yan sa loob. And then some toasted garlic. And then we have our eggs. And kung gusto nyo naman maglagay pa ng parsley, you can do so for added color. There you have it, isang delicious rice recipes na gamit ang Star Margarine Classic. Definitely delicious, kaya naman nakagawa tayo ng Star Rice at ang ating Star Chicken Adobo Fried Rice. Talagang OneDish Onders kasi kompleto na itong rice dish na ito, di ba? At dahil OneDish Onders, meron ka talagang extra time to love yourself like me. Sige. So I'll see you again next time dito sa Home Foodie for another session.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing delicious.